Are you ready to launch your career in data science and secure a coveted position in top companies? Our data science program is your launchpad to success. Join us as we dive into the world of Python, statistics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. We begin with Python basics, where you'll learn the foundations of the Python programming language. Next up, we dive into NumPy, a powerful library for scientific computing in Python. In Python, Pandas, you'll discover the Pandas library, which provides high-performance data manipulation and analysis tools. Visualization plays a crucial role in data science, and in Python, Matplotlib, you'll explore the Matplotlib library. Building upon Matplotlib, Python, Seaborn introduces you to Seaborn, a statistical data visualization library. In the statistics module, you'll delve into the foundational concepts necessary for data analysis. In machine learning, linear regression, you'll learn how to build linear regression models, evaluate their performance, and interpret the results. In machine learning, logistic regression, we'll shift our focus to classification problems. Logistic regression is a powerful algorithm for predicting binary outcomes. Decision trees are versatile and intuitive machine learning models. In machine learning, decision trees, you'll learn how to build decision tree models and explore techniques like pruning and cross-validation to improve their performance. Ensemble methods combine multiple models to enhance predictive power. In machine learning, ensemble methods, you'll discover techniques like bagging, random forests, boosting, and gradient boosting machines. Clustering is an unsupervised learning technique used to identify hidden patterns and group similar data points together. In machine learning, clustering, you'll learn about the popular k-means clustering algorithm. Time series forecasting is crucial for predicting future trends and patterns in sequential data. In machine learning, time series forecasting, you'll study time series components like trend, seasonality, and cyclicity. Natural language processing, or NLP, enables computers to understand and process human language. In machine learning, NLP, you'll learn about text preprocessing techniques, feature engineering. Deep learning has revolutionized the field of artificial intelligence, enabling machines to learn complex patterns from data. In AI, deep learning, you'll explore the advantages of deep learning, the architecture of neural networks, activation functions, and optimizers used to train deep learning models. Keras and TensorFlow are popular frameworks for implementing deep learning models. In AI, Keras and TensorFlow, you'll learn how to build and train neural networks using Keras. Data science is projected to have an annual job growth rate of 28%, creating 1.5 million new positions. The average annual salary ranges from 5 lakh to 25 lakhs. Accelerate your career with our boot camp, personalized career pathing, resume building, interview preparation, and get a chance to work with data science teams of companies like Microsoft, Google, Goldman Sachs, Apple, Uber Eats, and many more. Enroll in our data science program and unleash your potential.